Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic of Square loan fees explained. I've used Square for years, and one of the things I really appreciate about their financing is the straightforward fee structure. When you take out a Square loan, you are not dealing with a traditional interest rate that compounds over time. Instead, they charge one fixed fee. Here's how it works in my experience. First, when you get a loan offer from Square, it clearly shows you three main numbers. The loan amount. This is the cash you actually receive. The fixed fee. This is the single, upfront cost for borrowing the money. It's a percentage of your loan amount, often called a factor rate. This fee never changes, regardless of how quickly you repay the loan. The total repayment amount. This is simply your loan amount plus the fixed fee. This is the total maximum you will ever pay back. For example, if I was approved for a $10,000 loan, the fixed fee might be $1,200. This means the total repayment amount is $11,200. That $1,200 is the entire cost of the loan. The second key thing is the repayment process, which is automatic and flexible. Repayment happens as a fixed percentage of your daily card sales processed through Square. This percentage is also shown to you in the offer, and it's called the holdback rate. If my holdback rate is 10% and I make $500 in card sales today, Square automatically takes $50 towards my repayment. If I have a slower day and only make $200, they only take $20. This system is great because the payment adjusts to my business's cash flow. I pay less on slow days. Crucially, there are no late fees and no prepayment penalties. Since the fee is fixed up front, paying the loan off early doesn't save me any money on the fee, but it does mean I get the debt off my books sooner. You do have to pay a minimum amount every 60 days, and the loan has a maximum term of 18 months, which helps keep you on track. The bottom line is that the Square loan structure is a flat fee model with automatic repayment tied to your sales. It simplifies borrowing because you know the exact cost from day one. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.